She said Triller. It's Triller still. Triller. Triller. She said Triller. It's still 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 Triller. Big Mister. It's still Triller. It's still Triller. Drop the beat, nigga. This shit still Triller. Money on my mind every day. I think about a way to make it like every day. Selling dope up on the corner, posted up every day with that 38. I got that AK-47, hit a nigga from a mile away. Nah, these niggas around this bitch hating on Lil Miles can't put nothing in his pocket, so I gotta waste some time kicking in these niggas though. Gotta get this cash up though. I told my little brother that we gon' be good and we ain't gon' have to hurt no more. Man, these niggas finna make me have to hurt their ass cause they touch my little sister, boy, they ass is gon' be grass. Man, cause I know somebody got somebody they love. Let these niggas know shit still gon' be Triller. Man, I'ma hold it for down for my niggas. So I let my niggas know dog shit gon' keep Triller. Realer. These niggas ain't real. These niggas think they real cause they out here popping pills and toting stills. Nigga, you ain't real. I been did that. Had a little 22 and an AK and a Mac. Man, and I hit all the licks. I did all that. Kicked in a nigga doing shit. If troll listen, man, I don't do this shit no more. I retired from this shit. I saw all them days. All them starving days is over with, man. My dog Lil Trash say we ain't even gonna have to hurt no more. I know when Lil Trash said it ain't gonna happen no more. So I know me and my dog, them ain't gon' hurt no more. Put your own money in your pocket. Don't look at another nigga and see what he got up in his pocket. Pocket watching ass nigga, pocket green ass nigga. These niggas green, man, you better watch your back. Cause these niggas will steal your whole fucking sack. See your sack, they'll steal your motherfucking butt, steal your whole bone. Man, these niggas run this bitch getting creep. So that's why I took that far up in my sleep with one eye open, man, cause a nigga ain't finna slump me over like a Range Rover. Man, I know I sound crazy, but just know, boy, this is Lil Miles. Lil Miles killing it for one time. Money, Triller, Triller.